Okay, we have to express using factorial notation. So if we look at the first one, 30 times 28. All right, so this is a little bit weird because it skips a number each time. So what you can do is think of it as two lots of 15s times, so I'm halving them all so that I can get a pattern that goes up by one number instead of two numbers. So you can see I could go all the way to two lots of ones. There we go. So if I do that, every single one of these numbers from 2 up to 30 has, and remember they're all the even numbers from 2 to 30, so there's going to be 15 numbers there. They've all got a 2, so if I take the 2's out, there's 2 times 2 times 2, there's 15 of them. So 2 to the power of 15. And then we've got 15 times 14 times 13. So all I've done is just take those 2's out. So you can see that's 2 to the 15 times 15 factorial. So then when you look at B, now B is, if I just write 30 times 29 times 28 times 27, and I'm going to go all the way to 1. The ones, in order to get B, I'd have to get rid of, I don't want the 30, so I'd divide by the 30. I want 29. I don't want 28, so divide by 28. I want 27. I don't want 26. So there we go, etc. So we get all these numbers that we're going to divide by in order to, get rid of that top part. And then we've got B. All right, so the top here is 30 factorial, and the bottom is what we just found, 2 to the 15 times 15 factorial. So with these questions, it is handy to be able to use what you've done before. All right, so I've created B out of factorial divided by something I already know. All right, and so the same with C. I've got the evens up to 30, 30 times 28. All right, so that was A. That was the answer for A. Divided by 29, that was the answer for B. So I'm doing the answer for A divided by, so here's the answer for A. No, it's not going to write for me. Let's try again. Let's, oh, okay, let's do that as well. So we've got 2, oh, that's better. Oh, no. Times 15 factorial, there's our A. And we're going to divide by this here, actually. So instead of dividing, I'm going to times by the reciprocal, right? That's the same as dividing. So times by the reciprocal of that is that. So you can see there that all I'm doing now is I'm doing 2 to the power of 15 times 2 to the power of 15. So adding indices, that's 2 to the power of 30. And I've also got 15 factorial times 15 factorial, so I'll just square it like that. And I've got 30 factorial on the bottom. All right, so whatever that is, that's our answer.